Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gorn Guitar. Faouzia here. She's been with us before in songs like Habibi, Hero at least, and I think it was some else there here on Gorn Guitar. Many songs she created. This one is Ice. Okay, cool song. And watch the music video, very cool there. Filmed in Shanghai, I believe. So yeah. Cool song and girl. Let's take a look at her song. Let's do that with a capo on second fret. All right. So capo on second gives us three easy chords. It's the A minor, E minor, and B. So let's take a look at the chords. We have A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. E minor next, and that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the final chord, which is a bar chord. It's a B. And you start with a bar on the second fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here, but the 5 strings below you have to. And then you need to go down with 4th D, 4th G, and 4th B. That is the actual chord. It could be a lot of fingers there gathered together, hard time to get everything right there. So what I do, I place a second bar on the 4th fret and I bar the D, G, and B string there. And then I try to avoid to play on the last E string. It gets muted pretty much when you do like this, but it's great anyway. It's enough to just have the bass and mid area to strum on. So there you have the B chord. That's how I do. If you want to do it full, then wow, it's perfect. So anyway, up to you. Let's do the song now. So we have pretty much two different parts, verse and chorus play. Let's do the verse play, and we're gonna start to learn the strumming. So it starts with E minor. So if we grab that chord, one string around will be down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, so down, clap, down, then a short pause, and then down, clap. And then you start immediately the next round. So down, clap, down, down, clap, down, clap, down, down, clap. All right. I played 4 rounds for you now on E minor, and that is exactly how the song starts. So the chord progression will be E minor 4 string rounds, then B 2, and back to E minor 2. That's the first half of this verse. Then the second half will be E minor 4, and then B 3 plus 1 extra down and a pause. And that ends the verse, and that pause builds up for the chorus part. So E minor 4, B2, E minor 2, then E minor 4, B3 plus 1 extra down and the pause. And it goes like this. B2, E minor 2, E minor 4, B3, and extra down, and the pause. And that builds up for the chorus. That's what you're gonna play 1 round of that, and that is the verse play. Over now to chorus. Now we have chord progression that goes A minor 2, E minor 2, B2, and back to E minor 2. That is one chord progression. You play for 2 rounds. So A minor, E minor, B, and E minor. 2 string rounds per chord for 2 rounds like this. Yeah, there you have the chorus. Sorry for the bad sound on B. Like this, of course. But anyway, I think you understand 2 rounds of that. And that is the first round out of everything. And you know what? The second round is just repetition. The verse is exactly the same as in the first one, the second one. And the same goes with the second chorus. After you play the second chorus for 2 rounds, you have just the outro part left. And what you're gonna do there is to use the same chords you use in the chorus, which means A minor, E minor, B, and E minor. But now you're just gonna play 1 down per chord with big pauses in between. And you're gonna do it for only 1 round. And that is the ending of Fauzia's Ice. Ice, baby, ice. All right, so hope you enjoyed it, guys. A new song from Faouzia, and I really work here to get you the latest songs covered and how to handle them on a guitar. So yeah, support me here. Feel free to do that. I appreciate everything I can get from you, and that gives me motivation to go on to see this channel grow that fast, and see all the love from you guys makes my day. It makes me just move on here. So thank you so much. Again, I really appreciate it. And until next time, play tuned.